Welcome to the Elite Scripts YouTube channel. Today we will be walking you through how to create a Windows installation USB using an iOS or iPadOS device such as an iPhone or iPad. But before we get started, I wanted to mention that we have similar methods available for Android, macOS, Linux, and Chrome OS devices such as Chromebooks. On top of that, we are planning to launch on even more platforms soon. You can check all of these other methods out on usbxile.com and the link is in the description. Back to the iPhone and iPad method. This method only supports iOS and iPadOS devices on version 18 or newer. Put simply, this should support any device released after 2017 that has been updated. Moving on to hardware requirements, you'll want an 8GB or larger flash drive, ideally with both a Type-C and Type-A connector. We recommend the Amazon Basics 128GB USB flash drive. It's affordable, decently fast, and reliable. It conveniently features both Type-C and Type-A connectors. This makes it easy to use on both mobile devices and PCs with only one piece of hardware. To support the development of this software, please use the Amazon link in the description. If you are planning to use an older Apple device that does not have a USB Type-C connector, you will need a Lightning to USB adapter. We recommend the Huili Lightning male to USB female adapter. Once again, to support the development of this software, please use the Amazon links in the description. Before we move on to the actual process, I wanted to note that we update our recommended hardware from time to time. So don't be alarmed if the recommended hardware links on this video or our other documentation sources have changed since the creation of this video. Simply put, we are always looking to recommend the most up-to-date, practical, and well-suited hardware for our users. Okay, so the first thing we are going to want to do is navigate to the usbxile.com website and click on the iOS link. This page has written instructions that basically cover what this video covers in a text format. We conveniently have a link to the official Microsoft ISO download page. Be sure to click that. The official Microsoft Windows download page is actually quite confusing as there's a number of different things you could download on this page. Be sure you scroll down to the section that mentions downloading a Windows disk image ISO for x64 devices. Follow the prompts on the website till you get to the point where you get the ability to click the blue download button for the 64-bit download of the Windows ISO. Click it and then wait for the download to complete. Now that the download is complete, tab back to the usbxile.com website and click the App Store link. Install the USBXile app just like you would any other app. Now that you've installed USBXile, open the app up. When you first open the app, you'll see a list of instructions that I'll walk you through now. The first one is opening the Files app. So go to your Files app and go to the top level of the Files app. There you should see your USB drive there. Obviously, plug in your USB drive if you haven't done so yet. Mine's called 128 gigabytes here, so I'm going to long press the flash drive and I'm going to click the erase option. I'm going to select the MS-DOS FAT format at the bottom here, and then I'm going to click the erase button at the top again. It'll prompt you again. It's going to wipe everything on the device, so be sure that there's nothing important on your flash drive because this process will delete any information on it. When you're comfortable with that, click the erase button. And now you just wait for this process to complete. It usually doesn't take too long. Okay, let's tab back to USBXile now. Within USBXile, click the blue Select ISO File button. And we're going to select the ISO file we downloaded earlier from the Microsoft website. Now it's going to say to select the top level of your USB drive. You got to be careful here and select the right thing. So click continue when you're ready. And now we're going to go up to the top level again. And we're going to click into our flash drive. Once again, mine's called 128 gigabytes here. I'm going to click into that. And right here at this level, the root directory, the top level directory of the USB drive, click open. Now you just wait for the process to complete. You now have a fully functional Windows installation media USB. Feel free to disconnect it from your iPhone and plug it into your PC or laptop to boot from it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe so we can continue to release free software.